You may already know that there are so many ways to download from social networks. In this tutorial, I'll be hinting on how to download videos on Instagram with these simple steps. Let's go. For this tutorial, I'll be using a PC to perform this function. Go to instagram.com and log in into your account. Copy the link of the video you wish to download. Open your tab and type in fastdl.app. Click on paste. Click on download. Generate the video. Click on download MP4. Once it's all done, let's confirm if our video is exactly what we desired. Now we have our desired video to play offline. This is the same procedure if you need to download photos via Instagram.